Hey everyone, I'm Cherie Criswell and I'm an independent designer for Chalk Couture. Now today I'm working on this transfer, Worry Less, Love More. I've used it before on a distressed painted chalkboard. Now I'm going to try it on canvas with two different type of techniques for the background. Now this one I'm using watercolor. And I'm just putting ink on the plastic wrap that the transfer came in. So you can use markers, you can use ink, as long as it works well with water so that it can do this. So I just sprayed it with water, let it do its work. Turn that over because it's less messy that way, and pushed it on there. Now I just took a rag, or a paper towel actually, and wiped off the real wet parts and also the sheet that the transfer came in. Now I wanted to add a little more color, so that's what I'm doing now, going around the second time. You notice the towels that are inside there, that's just to give it a little bit more stability when I go to chalking. So again, just wipe off the extra. Now here's the second background. I started with a black canvas and I used the purple tape to mask off the stripes. I just wanted in black and white stripe. So I used white acrylic paint and painted in the white stripes. See, works out really good. Now I'm going to use both ink and paste. Now on the watercolor background, I decided to use black velvet paste. And you squeegee it on and squeegee off any excess. Make sure you cover all the areas. Bear in mind that the paste does dry faster, so you do have to work fairly fast so it won't pull off. And there you see the W was a little dry, so I just added a little bit more and took it off. Now on the stripe background, I am going to use shimmer gold ink. And you want to make sure you get the transfer on really good, no bubbles, so that the ink doesn't leak out. So just like the paste, you squeegee on, making sure you cover all the areas and take off the excess. Put it back in the jar to use it another time. And then you pull it off. Yep, I'm liking this. I've seen other people do these backgrounds, so I wanted to give it a try. So if you would like to look a little bit further, just go to my website, chalkcouture.com/Cherie Criswell. So which one do you like?